Sir has also joined. But oh, Dina has also joined. Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll wait for another 5 minutes. We'll be starting the program and let
Yes, ma'am.
the alumni join slowly. Till now, only five are there. I think people will be joining.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, madam.
So we'll wait for 5 minutes and then we'll start. It is actually 10:30. So we'll
Okay,
start at 10:30. Only five students have joined.
okay. We'll wait, madam. We'll wait.
Okay, sir.
Now,
We'll,
Let us wait.
yes, sir. We'll wait for some more time.
Yes. Totally, how many alumni they registered, madam?
89, sir.
Oh, 89. Let us wait. Let us wait for 10 more minutes. Then we can start.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Madam, something you can talk to the alumni who have come, madam.
Yes, sir. I told them to introduce. Abhijit Paul can introduce, or anybody can introduce one by one
Okay.
themselves at that time.
Because they can at least interact now.
Yes. Or Murali or anybody, Mahesh or anybody. Natasha has also joined. Okay, good. So any alumni can start speaking.
Since we have some time to get other alumni to join,
Yes.
somebody can break the ice. Otherwise, it will be very silent now, right? Very silent. Let us wait till 10:40 even. Not bad actually, because we need more alumni to come and join.
Yes, sir.
So till that time, any one of you, right? You can come forward. You can introduce yourself, or do you want to keep write your talk till all joins? Anyone, as you like, you can do it.
No, please. I think Dr. Dinanath can speak. I have not heard him for a long. all are on mute. Mrs. Nagalakshmi, they can unmute themselves, no?
Murali Kumar here, B.Pharm 2019 batch.
You are from which batch?
2019.
Oh, 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
He is doing PG in Government College of Pharmacy, Bangalore. M.Pharm Pharmacology is doing now.
Oh, very good. Okay.
And he was the ranker in diploma. First time our college got rank. He was the person who got first rank in diploma in Karnataka state. And even in B.Pharm final year, he got the gold medal.
Oh, very good. Very good. Kudos to him. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. See, I am a new director anyway, right? I may not know all of you. I just joined 1 month before. And I'm lucky to be a part of this alumni meet. Anyway, first alumni meet of pharmacy. Let others join, then I can talk something about the importance of the alumni meet, everything. Whenever we see some functions, all the functions will be have some kind of restrictions, but alumni meet is something open. So this is the only meeting, we will be open and we'll have without any restrictions we can talk. So by the way, this is a special meeting. Let me also wait for others to join. And right now, only we have some 19 in meeting, including the teachers, including myself. So I think it may grow up to at least 50, my guess. If it goes to 50, I'll be very happy, at least minimum. Because your principal madam was worrying earlier that whenever we are going for alumni meet, the number of participants are always less. So at least at this time, in order to make madam happy, the number should grow to at least 50 and more than 50. That is my prayer and guess. Let us see anyway.
Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. I'm Natasha, and I'm B.Pharm pass out 2019 batch, and currently I'm pursuing my master's in the Department of Pharmaceutics from Nainital.
I know you were there in that workshop which was organized, and you were one of the volunteers there.
Yes, ma'am. FDP.
FDP, correct.
Yes.
Good. So how do you find a place there, and how is teaching there?
It's all very good. Like especially the two departments, the pharmaceutics and the pharmacology department, they are very, very good. And the teachers and everyone are so helpful over here, and it's really very good.
Where is your partner, Rashmi Sinha?
Ma'am, she will join in sometime. I've made her to register, but she will join in sometime.
Okay, because Natasha and Rashmi always go together. Wherever we see in the college, Natasha and Rashmi will be together.
Yeah, ma'am, and we two are roommates also. So,
Okay.
how are you, ma'am? All good over there?
Yeah, good, no problem. And Jyoti is also joined, huh? Very good. Jyoti is one of the top, she got very good rank in GPAT. In our Oxford College of Pharmacy, Jyoti was the only one who got such, I think 40 or 47 something in GPAT. It was all others used to get rank, few people used to get, but they will get in hundreds. But she was the only girl in Oxford. Till now, we got around 40s. And I think she's in government job probably.
Oh, good to know, madam. Very good. Okay.
We have a lot of PG Cognosy students have joined. Dr. Deena Nath, Dr. Vijay Nigam. Dr. Ravi was supposed to join. He said because of his father's health, he's not joining. And lot of BPharm have joined. Diploma, I have not seen anybody. Divya has joined. Okay, people are joining. Any,
Number is slowly number is increasing, madam. Slowly it's
any
increasing.
diploma students have joined?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jyoti.
Yeah, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. You have joined as a pharmacist, no? Government job you have joined?
Yeah, ma'am. CGHS, Central Government.
Your voice is not clear.
Yeah, ma'am. I have joined in CGHS, Central Government Health Scheme.
Voice is not.
Ma'am,
Your voice is not clear.
oh,
Last year batch also some people have joined. Rashmita, Pavan. Last year when we conducted a meeting, lot of diploma students joined from Rajasthan. Around we had 25 students. In that at least 18 were diploma. So 18 to 17 were diploma, and this time I'm not seeing any diploma students join till now. Maybe they'll join. Akina, Tom, all Anthony Selvilli, last year Arshina, Ashit, all are last year BPharm students. Bharat, so many people are last year batch also are there. Very good. Anybody can speak out, Pavan or Mahesh.
Shall we wait, madam, for 5 more minutes?
Yes, sir. Or we can start. It is already 10:42.
10:42, but the number is now reached 30. I think
Yes.
so.
Sushant also joined. Okay, people are joining Sushant and yes, it is. We'll wait for 5 minutes and then we'll start, sir.
We'll wait for 5 more minutes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then we'll start because.
Deenanath Jade sir was supposed to speak, ma'am.
Let him speak, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine.
Yeah, ma'am. Right now, I'm working in a St. Wilfred Institute of Pharmacy in Navi Mumbai, and I'm working as an in-charge principal.
No, but you were there in Bhopal, no? You were having some journal also under you. You were the editor
Yeah,
for the
ma'am.
journal.
Yes,
And
ma'am. Journal of Harmonized Research Publication. I have developed the Journal of Harmonized Research Publications under
okay.
the banner of Harmonization Research, and I have running 5 journals. But last year, I have sell out all the journals.
Why? You're doing good now.
Because one of the journals is already recognized with the UGC care list, but I have not able to give a full time on that general. So
Okay.
the quality was going down. So I thought I will sell out because the one person is interested to run that whole group.
Mm-hmm.
And now I am trying to start one more journal with the name of Indian Journal of Science and Research, which is
Okay.
under processing. I have already applied for the ISSN, but we have not received yet.
Mm-hmm.
And
So
I
how
have,
come Bhopal to Navy Mumbai?
ma'am, actually, there was I am working as an assistant professor,
Hmm.
and here I got the opportunity as the in charge principal.
Okay.
I thought I will take the responsibility.
Mm-hmm.
So before the eligibility, I was aware about this post. So I have joined here in the year of 2019.
19 only you joined. Okay.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
We
Sir,
have,
yeah, Dr. Nagalakshmi, tell me.
yes, ma'am, we have Dr. Vijay Nigam, sir. He has joined us.
Yeah, I told Dr. Vijay has joined. He can also say that anyhow. Somebody has raised hands.
Yes, they can unmute and they
And
can speak.
whoever would like to speak, please pin their video so that we can see in the full screen. The host can do.
Hello.
Yes, hello, Dr. Vijay Nigam.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine. Hey, put on your video, man. We have not seen you. After PhD, I have not
Ma'am,
seen you only.
ma'am, 1 minute. Actually, some problem is coming in camera somewhat. I'm trying, ma'am, that also,
No,
ma'am.
I can see you now.
Now
Yeah,
you are
ma'am.
visible.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. After a long time, I'm meeting with all of you people, and it's really good experience to have knowledge and taken the what I can say, such a knowledgeable things we have learned from you, ma'am, from the college. We have learned so lots of things, ma'am. And now, really, it's good for me. Now I am also working as a principal. I also works as a research associate in Patanjali also. So now, so it's all due to your blessings and all those things, ma'am. We people got better successful in our life also.
It is your efforts also, no? Lot of efforts. Without your efforts, how it is possible?
No, that's
He will
okay.
guide, but your efforts are more important, no?
Yeah, ma'am. We are also trying to do better each and everything over there.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have B.Pharm, D.Pharm college, or it is
Ma'am, masters also.
master also?
We have Sotics and Ecology,
Okay.
and then we are having masters and diploma both, degree and diploma, all the three.
Okay, fine. Good. So lot of responsibilities.
Yes, ma'am.
It is easy to be a student.
Yes, ma'am. Means when we are a student, ma'am, we remember when we face not even a single problem, also we can reach to your cabin. Ma'am, we are having this problem. Kindly resolve this problem. And now the scenario is totally changed. Now every day means number of students, number of parents, they are coming. So this problem was there, sir. This problem was there. Try to solve this one, sir. We have fees issue, sir. We need extra classes. Means every day means now it's. I'm also taking some classes also, but it's somewhat like that. Now somewhat I have to take care of the management and all those things, but it is also one better experience for me also. Ki, uh, how to cope up with each and everything. Previously, ma'am, yeah, student life was good. We didn't have not even single tensions. Ki okay, everything was okay. Ma'am was there, sir was there. They will solve our problem and each and everything. And now we have to resolve the problems of all the students and each and everything, ma'am.
Good. That
Thank you so
makes you
much.
strong.
Yes, ma'am.
think it is function.
Yeah, we can start, madam. We can start. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can start off.
Yes, ma'am. A very good morning to all. I, Nagalakshmi R, Assistant Professor, the Oxford College of Pharmacy, take this privilege on behalf of Chairman Sri SNVL Narasimha Raju Garu, Director Dr. Mal Murugan, Principal Dr. Padma M. Parak, HODs, my dear colleagues, and all our alumni. I feel deeply honored and getting the privilege of welcoming all of you to this alumni meet of our college. I appreciate this idea of alumni meet, which creates a special bonding between the students who have passed out and who have established themselves already in the big outside world. I believe an alumni meet is a perfect platform for you all to meet your peers and teachers and review their contacts. Welcome to the Oxford College of Pharmacy, founded by our esteemed late founder, Chairman Sri S. Narasaraju Garu in the year 1992 to impart quality education in field of pharmaceutical sciences. Vidya Sarvatra Shobhite. It's with immense pleasure I welcome our respected President of Children's Education Society and Chairman of Oxford Educational Institution, Sir SNVL Narasimha Raju Garu. After serving as the Executive Director 2 decades with his novel ideas, he has been anonymously elevated to the post of President of Oxford Educational Institutions. He did his MBA from Oxford University, exceeding high level of managerial skills, combining them with commitment and vigor. He has taken keen interest in the welfare and progress of students over the years. Sir has built rapport to the teachers, constantly talking them into confidence in improving the total development personality of students, thereby increasing the efficiency of the institution. He is the reason for the technological development of this institution and totally involved in all administrative and academic programs. The Oxford institution have greatly benefited from his novel ideas and dynamic leadership. He is a widely traveled person all over India and abroad. He is also a keen in support enthusiast and an excellent cricket player. Apart from his academic commitments, he has extended his service to Raju Kshatriya Committee. He has been elected as a president of Raju Kshatriya Growth Charitable Trust. He is also secretary of Karnataka Aided and Unaided School Federation. We welcome you, sir. It gives immense pleasure to welcome our one second, please. It gives immense pleasure to welcome our beloved director, Dr. Mal Murugan sir. Sir has completed Doctorate of Philosophy Medical Imaging Processing from Bhartihar University, Coimbatore in year 2005 and Master of Technology from Pondicherry University in year 1991 and Bachelor of Engineering from Madurai Kamaraj University in year 1987. Sir is awarded with gold medal for university first rank in MTech examination. Best Contribution Award by Society of Simulation and Modeling, Gem of India Award by World Achievement Society in year 2009. He is an approved speaker of IEEE National Distinguished Lecturer Program NDLP. He has been awarded with Innovative Technological Research and Dedicated Professor Award for Engineers Today Malaysia in the year 2017 and Best Principal Award at WCISC Bangkok in the year 2019. Sir has 34 years of UG teaching experience and 22 years of PG teaching experience. Currently, he is serving as Director, the Oxford Group of Institutions, Bangalore. His area of specialization is biomedical signal and video processing, machine and deep learning algorithms. Sir has served as editorial member and reviewer for various international journals and research. He has worked as senior solution architect in the JV project of Economic Development Board, Singapore and Satyam Computer Service Limited from December 2006 to May 2008 and as a visiting faculty to Bahir University, Ethiopia. He has contributed a lot towards teaching learning process, and he is leading the colleges to acquire accreditation from the national agencies and to attain autonomous status. He has acted as a board member and panel member for various universities. Sir has delivered more than 150 special lectures and has guided PhD students. Sir has 3 book publications and 3 chapters in books, and he has also 165 total papers in international and national journal and conference. He is a widely traveled person all over India and abroad. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
It gives an immense pleasure to welcome our beloved Principal Ma'am, Dr. Padma M. Parak. Madam has completed M. Pharmacy in Pharmacognosy and PhD in Pharmaceutics from Institute of Technology, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi in year 1992 and 1997. She has 5th ranker in B Farm from Madras University, Best Outgoing Student in B Farm, and was awarded with Dr. Bashyam Memorial Prize. She has qualified for GATE at all Indian level for admission to MPharm course. She has been awarded with JRF and SRF by UG Grant Commission, Government of India. Ma'am has worked as a research scientist in Dr. Patani Scientific and Industrial Research, Mumbai. She has had a teaching experience as a principal and professor in Pallavan College, Kanchipuram from August 1993 to December 1999. She has worked as pharmacology research scientist in Nicholas Parmal Indian Limited, Quest Institute of Life Science, Mumbai, as a principal cum professor in the Oxford College and Institution of Pharmacy from September 2003 till date. She has total teaching experience of 24 plus years after MPharm. She has guided PG students and has both national and international research papers. She has been awarded with Rajiv Gandhi Education Excellence Award for outstanding achievements in the field of education by International Institute of Education and Management, New Delhi. RGHS has recognized her as minimum research paper published in the year 2010-11 in a compendium released by RGHS Journal. It gives immense pleasure to welcome our convener of today's event, Dr. Gururaj S. Kulkarni, sir, HOD Department of Pharmaceutics, the Oxford College of Pharmacy. We welcome you, sir. Good morning, Gururaj, sir.
I think some problem in his something.
Okay.
His mic is muted.
You can start off with other programs. Yeah,
Yes.
you can continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm trying to unmute. Yeah. Good morning, madam, and good morning, sir. And good morning, my dear friends and dear students.
Sir is having an echo, ma'am.
Yeah, you can start the program.
Yes, ma'am.
We will speak at the end. I think 2 system he has switched on, probably the mobile as well as a laptop. So that's why this gives echo. Yeah,
Good morning, one and all. The present Honorable Chairman Shri SNVL Narasimha Raju Garu and Principal Dr. Padma M. Parak were instrumental in bringing the overall growth of the institution in the field of pharmaceutical sciences. The Oxford College of Pharmacy offers various courses like DPharm, BPharm, MPharm in Pharmacognosy, Pharmaceutics and Pharmacology, PharmD and PharmD postbaccalaureate. The Oxford College of Pharmacy has excellent laboratory facilities and good collection of books and journals, well qualified, trained and experienced teaching staff to impart thorough knowledge. Now, I would like our beloved Director, Sir, Dr. Malmurugan, Sir, to address the gathering.
Very good morning to every one of you. I'm very happy at the outset to be part of this alumni meet today. As I told earlier at the beginning of this meeting, before I'm getting more participants informally, that alumni meet is a meet where we have lesser restrictions than other meetings you attended earlier in the same college. There are 5 to 6 stakeholders of any institution: management, faculty members, parents, students, employers, and alumni. If you look at these stakeholders, parents will be part of the institution as long as their wards are on the campus. Employers may be part of the institution once if they have students from the same institute to join in the concern of the firm. Till they are working, then they may be part of this institution. Management, of course, there will be always stakeholders. Faculty members, when they leave the institution, they may not become part of the stakeholders. But only the students, when they study, when they during the stay in the campus, they are one type of stakeholders. When they leave the campus, they become alumni. They are still part of the stakeholders of the institution. But alumni, as a special case, after leaving the campus, they will have the image of the institution with them wherever they go. Whether they be part of any company where they are working, or the part of any institution where they are working, they have to carry the image of the institution everywhere. If they serve well, if they contribute more, if their performance is counted, then the institute may have the proud of having him or her as alumni. Parallelly, if they grow, the institute also will grow other side. So it is something like a parent and student relationship. So wherever they go, wherever they move, wherever they grow, it is always giving some kind of pride to the institution, and parallelly they are getting also pride to the institution. So it is a win-win situation on both sides. But what I would like to emphasize in this meeting, that whenever you find free, you please come to the campus very often. You please come visit the campus and try to guide the juniors, your juniors. You can share more experience. Whatever myself or a principal or even a teacher will advise, they won't take it as in the right sense. But if any alumni is coming and telling some kind of piece of experience and expertise, the juniors will accept immediately. So by this way, you can help the students to grow in a better way. You can mold them easily, number one. Number two, your contribution may be in terms of some not only advice, you can even help the institute to get some kind of new facilities in the campus where we can grow, what we can purchase, or what kind of help you can support, or what way you can go. You are going to bring other alumni to the campus, and by the way of having some kind of developments or growth in the institution. So you can help us by visiting our campus, number one. Number two, suppose you have your own WhatsApp group. You may belong to 19 batch or 20 batch, some batch. You may have your own WhatsApp group. Through WhatsApp group, you can at least form one strong association of 18 batch alumni, and with 19 batch alumni, then with 17 batch alumni. Like that, you can please create your own year-wise alumni, and then through that, at least if any one of you have a good relationship or link with your senior, you can join with them, and then through them you can go to the previous year. Please do this as chain, and please reach the first batch. The first batch may be they may be 40+ year old. They may be very senior, to the last passed out students. So if you have all this link with you, then among yourself you can do some kind of service, some help, or you can do some kind of even society service, societal activities also. Because one level is we are growing from with parents, and next level is we are growing with our teachers. The third level is we have to contribute something to society. So once you have grown, then you can do more society activities by having a connect with your seniors. The more important is connect now. We can have any kind of wealth. Money is not measured for wealth. Only the connection is measured as a wealth. If you have more contacts, then you are a wealthier person than those who are having money. So how to get contact now? Contact we can get easily from your own peers, from your own seniors, and your own professionals. That is a good connect basically. So now we have technical platforms available. We have WhatsApp, we have other social media. So getting connected is nowadays easy. We need not travel to any place, though it is a remote place or a distant place. You can get connected easily by social media or by any kind of this kind of technical platforms. So since we have these platforms in our hand, you please try to catch all your seniors and form a very powerful alumni. Any one of you in one batch, you can take the initiative. You can try to catch your seniors. From your seniors, anyone can be enthusiastic and person with more interest in forming this connect, and he can get other contacts from his seniors. Keep on do this one and create wonderful alumni of Oxford College of Pharmacy, at least by next year. Because the principal, when I requested her to go for alumni meet, madam was telling that nobody is coming in forward, nobody is taking much interest in alumni meet. All they are giving some excuses. Instead, at least one day, we can fix one day every year. Not like this. One day, say for example, it could be July 3rd week Saturday, like that. Or it could be something like May 4th week Sunday. Some day you can fix every year. That day, you please, every one of you please assemble and make a broadcast of this information to all your seniors and all your juniors, and bring them to one umbrella on that day, and we can chat with them and we can discuss with them. It is bringing more kind of nostalgia, more kind of sweet memories. You can share everything with them. Even you can introduce your family members with them. It's not necessarily only you. Suppose if you are 40 years old, you have some good family, you can bring them to the light of alumni club. You can have some kind of relationship with your friends also. So like this alumni meet should be a family-like meeting. It is not more official meeting. In a college, we have all official meetings with the principal, with the teachers. But alumni meet is more like family meeting. All should come forward. All should join. All should cherish. All should enjoy this meeting. And you should carry good memories with you. These meetings also will give you good memories. Now we are in a pandemic situation. We know that the conditions outside, life is very short. We cannot decide that. The only thing is what we are enjoying, what we are keeping in memory, that the sweet memory is more important. So for that, please make use of this alumni meet more. Your own friends, your own seniors, your own classmates. You are all coming from, say, alma mater. So please join with them and make use of this opportunity and create a concrete alumni club in the campus. You please come forward. It is your meet. It is not by the college. Now it should not be from the principal or teachers. You are responsible for this one. You are all in a good position. Many of you know about this responsibility also. You come forward. You please collect your own alumnus with you, and then make activities. You please propose activities also for next alumnus meet. So next meet suppose would be maybe after 6 months or after a year. You plan for that. You please bring all the students. You contact all the seniors. You form your own committees also. Even I still remember that in one college where I was working as a teacher, all the alumni members are in big positions in various parts of country. Now they join together. They collect huge money. They have their own trust for them, alumni trust. The money is there. They are helping the students by giving scholarship for their juniors, not only for the same college, but the same group of institutions, or even for PU students, not able to study well, not able to write to get proper financial assistance. They are helping. So by this way, the alumni can do wonders. They can do wonders. Even recently, I am from Tamil Nadu, and I met one my student. He is in a very good position. He is chief secretary to the Tamil Nadu CM. His name is Uday Chandran IAS. I recently get connected because I like to wish him to get this position. Then he told that anyway, I am more happy to see you, sir, and moreover there, I am getting more critics from my alumni club. So he was telling that he is having that type of the relationship with all his alumni, and he is having that is the more important wish for him than from teacher. So alumni, they are very strong, highly they are in nexus, they have their own kind of interest, and they can do it. Since you are all having the background of pharmacy, you can do something more. Even if you join together, you can create some kind of formulation medicines for even this COVID. Everybody is now worrying about, though we have medicines, though we have vaccinations, still there are worries. More worries are there. So who can help? Only pharmacists can help. You can only go for new formulation. You can only suggest new kind of medicines for that. So only if you have strong nexus of people, then you can do it. Individually even, this is possible. So alumni club, though it is now coming from under the guidance of principal and the management, at least next meeting would be from your side. You plan and do it all the activities. Then only we can go for more kind of activities from alumni club, and you can plan more than what we are thinking. And from your side, we are expecting more in terms of not only the donations money, but also some contributions to help the students also in the campus. So please come forward, please help us, and please be part of the family of Oxford group forever by connecting with all the alumni. With these few words, I am very much thankful to principal and other organizers of Oxford College of Pharmacy to share some of my views in the alumni meet of Oxford College of Pharmacy. Thank you for every one of you. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your participation.
Thank you, sir. That was a great motivational and initiative words from your side. Thank you once again, sir. Now I would like our beloved principal, Madam Dr. Padma M. Parak, to address the gathering.
Good morning to our founder, chairman, late Sri S. Narsaraju Garu, our beloved chairman, Sri SNVL Narasimharaju Garu, and our director, Dr. N. Malmurugan, Dr. Gururaj Kulkarni, Ms. Nagalakshmi, and other office bearers of alumni committee, as well as my dear students. I don't want to take much time. Always I used to speak. Now I want you people to speak, but one message is very clear, as sir has told, that next time the alumni meet, you plan, you tell me, I'll give you the platform, you will be organizing everything. I want that stage to come. And see, we are also meeting we are also going as an alumni meet. We also contribute. It is now virtual platform is there. Anytime you can share your views to the student, because see, what we tell is different, but when you tell your experience, how you enter for job, what was your experience, how they molded you, what was the change when you as a student and when you went for job, that will give lot of motivation to students, and they will come out of here. See, if I'm telling anybody to speak, nobody was trying to speak. So this inhibition is there when I am organizing or the college is organizing. So I don't want this inhibition. I want you people to help the students, your juniors. We are all now Oxford family. Wherever you go, you are part of this Oxford family. Whether you have done PhD from other place, whether you have done PG from other place, you are a part of Oxford. So you can help your juniors. And see, helping will never leave you down. people will remember you more ki my senior was there who has done this thing for me. Out of way he came and he helped me. He motivated me. This is a more wealthier thing in the world than compared to material world. So I want alumni who are in good position to come and speak to the students, whether at least for 15 minutes or 20 minutes if you cannot spare. Mostly Saturdays all will be off. So if you want, we can organize guest lecture with you on online platform. So you come out with any date, we'll see the convenient date, 1 hour we will keep for you so that you can interact with students. See, this interaction will motivate them. Class, they can learn. We can do something, some people listen in class, some people don't listen. They will manage somehow the study part. But your words of experience will give them a better scope, and they can take help from you. They can ask, yes, tell me, sir, which where, how to go about, how to join this company. I am having a fear, because now a lot of options are there, so you can suggest them which will be a better scope for them. So this will definitely help the students to grow in their life, and people will never forget. We have not forgotten our teachers, we have not forgotten our friends. We are having our own meet, so you must be also meeting. So at least if there are some constraint that you cannot attend, at least you register so that we will know where you are, what you are. If any help we need, we want you are in good position, come give one talk to our students. Let our students understand where our students are there, wherever seniors are there. That will help them. And many places, what happens, once a student join a company, if he is very good, then the company comes for the placement also. So you are helping the students in getting placed. Placing a student and giving a job is one of the wonderful thing, because he'll be earning bread because of you. That will give a credential to you also, and to the institute also, and to the person who has taken the job with your help. So I want, in this perspective, you should go and see contribution. It is personal, this thing, but see, we also started contributing for our college. Recently, where I'm doing my BPharm, I have contributed some money because they wanted some help from me. So I said, okay, now I'm in position, I can help. So once in a year, I can sponsor something that we have decided, not as an individual, you can make as a group, 1921 group. We don't want huge amount, at least some fund comes, and we can give scholarship in your batch name. The scholarship for the students. So this will motivate further students. The scholarship amount, let it be not more than 500, no problem. But it matters a lot. It has come as a scholarship. See, that money, though the money may be small, but it gives, I have received something. That matters a lot. Though management is also trying to support students, best top students, they are giving 50% concession in fees. That is there. But apart from that, if some contribution comes from alumni, will be also good. Okay, I think it is already 1 hour is over. I don't want to waste my time. I want all the alumni to now interact one by one, and we'll have an interaction. That session I want. And next time, you people decide. We have an Oxford alumni group. If you're not enrolled in that, please, I'll request the admin to put all your names into this. So whatever job opportunities come, I put there also. Whatever comes to my knowledge, I put in that group also, so that in your company, if any vacancy is there, you can put there also, so that students are aware that some vacancy is created. So we can help each other, and we can see that our students are in good position, and they also enjoy, and they are in they do good service to the society also. Apart from the family members, everybody leave, but for the society also, let them do some good work. So with this word, I'm closing my remarks, and thank you. And I'm seeing good number of students. I'm very happy to interact. I'm going to keep my mic mute. I want to see individual person video and individual person speaking out truly from the heart, not superficial words. Okay, with this word, I thank the organizers for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Now it's time to hear a few words from our beloved alumni regarding their memories with college, their career and achievements. So the platform is open for alumni to speak regarding their achievements and career. You can unmute yourself.
Please come in the video.
Yes.
Dr. Nagalakshmi can take, we will switch on all the people video and we'll take one picture, correct?
Yes. Yes.
That we will keep it in our, anyhow this recording I'll put in the Oxford, we have YouTube channel. So we will be putting this recording in the YouTube channel of Oxford College of Pharmacy. And yeah, all can switch on the videos so that we can see, oh, Jinsi, Vijit Pal, sab thode changes have come in people. Some changes. Oh, Murali is full changed. Okay. Oh, Jyoti Modi remains same. Yeah, good. You can take pictures here.
Yes, ma'am.
Pawan, you can remove mask for few minutes if you are not. I think you are out somewhere. Good. Mustafa has changed. Okay, all Rashmita, good to see you all. Oh, Anthony, right. You can also click pictures and post in the our Oxford alumni group. Okay. Good. I think all have switched on. And few are teachers in our college, only few alumni like Shravani, Mrs. Shravani, Mrs. Juveria, Dr. Karthik, Divya C. Reddy, Nagalakshmi R, who's comparing, is also a very farm student. And anybody else? No, I think that's it. So all have switched on? Yes.
Ma'am.
So I think now one by one we can introduce and you can speak now.
Hello.
Hello, good. Hello.
Hello. Shall I speak something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is a greater opportunity for me. I am the first student of the Oxford Pharmacy College. I have done my pharmacognosy. I am the first student who has taken admission under ma'am in first batch, and evenly I am the first student who has done the PhD under ma'am only. And during our studies timing, really, we feel that madam has given opportunities. In the college also, we have the separate libraries. We are using any type of whatever the type of laboratories we want. Ma'am is giving us all the opportunities. We never feel like that कि कभी भी कॉलेज में वी फील कि हमको किसी चीज की कमी लग रही है. वी फील रियली वेरी एंथुसियाज्म और बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हम लोग वी आर रियली वर्किंग हार्ड ओवर देयर. वी आर वर्किंग इन ए टीम स्पिरिट. सारे जूनियर्स थे, सीनियर्स थे. कभी भी इवनली फॉर अस आल्सो मैडम हैज ओपन द क्लासेस एंड फॉर द स्टडी पर्पस. Whole even in the night also we have the madam ne opened the classes for us. Library open करके दिया था. तो it's a rather great experience है कि I just want कि all the students means all the people who are working just आप लोग भी जब you're giving teaching या you're doing somewhere आप कहीं पे भी job कर रहे हैं तो बस we honest towards your work और अपना आप लोग do your work with honesty only. That's better for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So now others can speak. Yes, Abhijit Paul, you are supposed to speak.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. This is Abhijit from 2012-16 batch. I'm really happy to being in part of this wonderful session, and it's always great to see the memories since like 2012. Now it's 2021. Still, मतलब अच्छा लगता है, madam. Still, we are attached with the college. The one good thing, जहाँ पे भी हो, like we are still attached, and this will always be there. And we have learned many good things, many things. मस्ती की है, पढ़ाई भी की है. सब कुछ अभी भी याद है, मैम. Like everything is there in heart, and we are, and I'm taking all these things, and it will be always there. And अभी working in a European company and still happy and supporting family. और बस इतना ही है. और आप लोग को देख के अच्छा लगा, मैम. I'm in Bangalore only, मैम. Bangalore only. So ठीक है, बस मैम इतना ही. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abhijit. So next, Jinsi, Sushmita, Murli. Jinsi is so happy.
Hello, good morning to everybody. I am a student of Oxford. I was a student of Oxford. I just like graduated in 2020. The Corona batch. We call ourselves the Corona batch because we gave exams in that tough situation of Corona. We were also scared. Everybody was scared. But somehow, yes, my college memories were really nice. Actually, I had a really good class whom I enjoyed 4 years, and it was like I cannot say like those were memories. Those are not just memories; they are like very much close to my heart. My class students, like my class, so I know everybody like very closely. I have a talk to it. Even now, also I talk to everybody. So I really have a good memory about my college. Even ma'am, she taught us in the final years, and her teaching is awesome. I must say, like she has so much knowledge. Even all my teachers are very nice, right from first year of college till fourth year. Everybody has supported us very well. Now I am working in MedLife International Private Limited. It's been 8 months since I'm working there. Recently, I just got promoted to my like second post. I am a senior associate right now, and yeah, I'm happy. I'm looking forward for pursuing M.Pharm sooner or later when this Corona gets over. That's it. Thank you.
That's great to hear it from you, Jinsi. Thank you for speaking. Yes, Murli, you can speak now.
Well, I am a double alumni to this college. I did my both diploma and BPharm here, and I'm really happy because I didn't plan to do higher studies after diploma. But all the, not only principal ma'am, everyone, Falguni ma'am, Joita ma'am, Anju ma'am, Afroz ma'am, they all called me personally, and they all told me, you have to do BPharm, otherwise we are not leaving you. If you, they even called my parents, and then they convinced my parents to also make me join to BPharm. So I joined BPharm. Now I'm doing my MPharm in pharmacology in GCP, and I'm also working as a technical analyst pharmacology in SPI Global. And I've been promoted as a QC last month. It has been just 3 months I joined now, but now I'm promoted as a QC in the same department, and I'm planning to do PhD with work if now God permits. Let's see. I'm really happy to meet everyone.
Thank you for speaking, Murli. That is just a great career you're having. Yes, Sushmita, you can speak now. So, Sushmita S. Nair.
It is Ronita.
Oh, hi. Yeah, sorry, I had to join from my sister's phone because there was an issue with my phone. Hi, ma'am. Hi, everybody. It's so nice to see all of you. I just want to say that I'm so happy that, this event has been happening today because I miss all of you. It's so nice to talk to you, listen to all of you talk. I had a lot of fun in Oxford, be it, getting scolded by principal ma'am or like having like silly fights with my friends. I still had a lot of fun in Oxford. And right now I'm working with IQVIA after like a lot of struggle. It's been a struggle because of COVID and all of the situation. It's not easy to find the jobs that you love, but yeah, I really like my job now. I work as a researcher at IQVIA. It's nice. I'm learning a lot, and I can't wait to like listen to all of you talk. Thanks.
Thank you, Ronita S. Nair. We have 33 participants in our meeting, but only few are visible on the screen. So I'll request all of you to turn on your videos so that you can just see your friends. Yes, Tasneema Taj, you can speak now.
Hi everyone. Hi Principal Ma'am. How are you doing? It's been such a long time, and this is like a great opportunity. And after a long time, we've all come together in this platform. So I'm very glad to see all your faces. So Oxford holds like a lot of wonderful memories for me because I was the cultural coordinator in the final year, and I got to coordinate with Principal Ma'am a lot during my final year, be it events or be it fest or be it with college activities or be it in the classroom about our project because we were under her project mentoring. So I have a very close relationship to her, and I can see that she is a huge inspiring woman who helps us think beyond our capacity and helps us get to our dreams, and that really motivated me a lot being around inspiring people. And I'm currently working in IQVIA. It's been a year now and I've been promoted to the next step, so it's been a great journey. I joined somewhere 2 months before the pandemic, so it's been almost a year and looking forward to go more, and really nice seeing you all.
Congratulations, Tasneema Taj. Thank you for sharing your happiness with us. We have Mahesh and Natasha Verma.
I'll interrupt. I still remember the debate which had happened, and Ronita and Tasneem were
Yes, that
really.
was pretty intense.
I still remember that it is still in my memories. You both were struggling. No, I am the best. I am the best. That part still is really good, and I really appreciate Tashneen. She has got good potential here. Really, I have not seen a student with so much energy and enthusiasm. Though many students are good, but I don't know. I'm specially attached to Tashneen. I really, in few batches, when you interact, no, you feel yes, this person I can. In my class also, if I tell some people get hurt. Ki, madam, you tell her only. This problem I have faced every year, whether it is Murli's batch or Tasneen batch or Ronita's batch or anybody's batch. As a matter of fact, I'll be telling Jinsi Mustafa. So people feel, madam is telling them only. She's not worried about you. No, it is not that, but it is some attachment that's all more towards them. It is purely just a good relationship I had. I really appreciate you. If I see, really, I'm very happy to see you all, but no changes. And I want you people to be like this, and same way, same energy, same enthusiasm. I want that thing. And anytime you people come, and if you are interested, we can organize one cultural program for you. You are the organizer. You will be doing everything in Oxford. So that one get together will happen live. That I want once again from this 3 batches. Or if more people are in Bangalore, they are welcome.
For that.
We can arrange one day on Saturday. We can do one program like that.
Thank you, ma'am. Means a lot.
Yes, we have Rashmi Sinha.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to all my friends, my juniors. I'm very happy to see everybody here on this platform. And I really miss this opportunity. I was very much keen to see everybody. I was just struggling anyhow to see where are my friends, where are my teachers and everybody. I'm very happy to see everyone on the screen. And I am still pursuing my M.Pharm from Bhubaneswar. Recently, I had a talk with Principal Ma'am for my registration approval. So I could not talk to her much because she was also busy in some of the work. But I'm still studying, and just 1 or 2 months are still left for my course to complete, and then further I would join some industry and all. And I won't talk much about future, but the past was very, very beautiful. The B Farm life was very nice, very enthusiastic, and I really missed my batch. I had the best batch in my life. The B Farm batch of our class was very best. It was studious. It was the notorious batch. Notorious thing, ma'am will be saying it. We used to be so notorious. Sitting on the only the class which was silent was the B Farm when ma'am used to take class. Everybody used to be very much silent at that time. But after that, nobody would keep a pin drop silence in the class when ma'am is no more in the class. And we used to take so much of fun. मतलब वो बहुत ही अच्छा time था. Really, I miss those days a lot. And I really want to live those days once again. I want ma'am to take our class once again, and we should sit like that and we should see the class and everything. It's very nice to see everyone. I'm very happy to see everybody. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for being there for us all the time and all the faculty members as well. We are very blessed to have teachers like you all, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rashmi Sinha. It was great.
Thank you.
So many are there, but till now they're not turned on their video. Harshina, Astik, Banik, Chetan, Dinesh, Harish. Yes, Natasha, you can speak. Jyoti, you can speak. This is your function, not our function. You're free to speak here.
Yeah, hello everyone. So I already gave my introduction before, but yeah, once again, now my friends have joined. So yeah, like I totally miss my class a lot, especially Principal Ma'am ka the lab sessions and the class. Like it was the best time. The cognizy labs, the fourth batch, and the fun we used to do within like in your presence even, and the like we really wanted to this to be happen in an offline way, but yeah, like due to this all this thing it can't. But I really miss every one of you and wanted to see you in face. Like let's hope for it, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Natasha. Yes, Jyoti Modi.
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. Everybody, I thought of telling everybody that me and Natasha was called twin sisters by principal, ma'am.
That was a great memory. Yes, Jyoti. You're on mute, Jyoti.
Yeah. Good morning, all.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm from 2019 batch. I'm very happy to see you all, especially my batchmates, Murli, Natasha, Kashmi. I'm missing very much them. And ma'am, I miss your class also, that principal lab section. We are very quiet at that time. And all are good, ma'am, all are going good. Now I'm posted in CGHS, Central Government Health Scheme in Varanasi. And currently I cracked the AIMS as a new AIMS Delhi as a pharmacist. In 2 to 3 months, I'll be joining there. And that's all, ma'am. All is going good by your blessings.
That
you,
was
ma'am.
great, Jyoti. Yes,
Thank you.
Akina.
Yeah.
Akina, Tom. Anthony Selvi. Mahesh.
So, ma'am, good morning, all, ma'am, and all my dear friends. It's happy to see all happy faces on one screen, ma'am. All are with 32 teeth showing beautiful smiles. After a long time, ma'am, we are seeing each other through digitally at least. People, after going from Oxford, people are became so busy, ma'am. They are searching towards their life, running their life. They wanted to see something achievements, but no one cares for friends or everything. Maybe Rashmi Sinha or Natasha, they started their PG or work something. No one want to interact. Still, we have group. No one chats in a group. Today, alumni meet, I can see more than 150 messages in a group just in 5 minutes. That what shows the unity. People are this, but showing they are so busy. So only request this can be continued all the year, and special thanks to Madam Principal Ma'am for creating this opportunity, ma'am. And still happy to see you, ma'am. Until you are in Oxford, I can say your students are safe and they will reach their goals, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mahesh. That was great to hear from your side. Yes, Fatima. Farheen Fatima.
Yeah, hello everyone. Good morning. I'm from
Good.
2019 batch. Yeah, I'm from 2019 batch. I'm really very thankful for all faculty members and colleges for their efforts. And now I'm currently in Delhi. I'm doing my PG, so I'll be complete within 1 month in pharmacy practice. And really, I miss all of you, and really, I feel very happy to see all of you here, and especially ma'am, principal ma'am. I'm really happy to see you here, and then I'm really I miss our colleges and classmates, everyone. I'm so excited that I cannot express here. Like I was asking for long back, like when our money will be there. We will be like due to this COVID situations, we are not able to come there, but. Yeah, this is really nice. I'm able to see everyone's over here, and really I'm thankful to everyone. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Fatima. Even our teachers, colleagues have joined with us. Divya ma'am, Zuveria Banu, Sir Pratyusha ma'am, Gururaj sir. You can turn on your videos. Aparna, Astik, Chetan. In meeting, there are around 30, but only few people have turned on their video. Your friends would like to see you people in one platform. So I appreciate to turn on your videos. Yes, Dinesh. You can
Thank
speak.
you. Good morning, everyone present in this call. So, thank you, Principal Ma'am, for organizing this call. So, myself, Dinesh. So, I completed B Pharm in Oxford College of Pharmacy in 2019. Presently, I'm pursuing M Pharm in Government College of Pharmacy in Pharmaceutical Chemistry Department. So, I'm also working as a business development lead in a global company, which is Asa Clinical Research UK. And it was a nice journey of my completing my BUG in Oxford College of Pharmacy. So we had a very good batch, and I think we were the most mischievous batch ever. And we used to get caught frequently with all the mischievous things we do. And principal ma'am used to advise us to do in such a way. So it was a very good experience completing my UG in Oxford. And to add a point here, like principal ma'am said, we as a seniors or alumni, we have to come back to the juniors and guide them about their career with quite of experience we have. And we have started a initiative for this. We are ongoing with this initiative in one of the college, like Government College of Pharmacies, where we from the industrial experts come back to the juniors, and we guide them for their career guidance and various industrial oriented aspects, so that students will get multiple opportunities in their hands with this basic industrial knowledge, and they can think in a broad minded way and apply for many opportunities in the companies. So we are ongoing with this initiative. Hopefully I'll approach principal ma'am very soon in recent time, and I'll explain her about this. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you, Dinesh, for joining us. That was just a great idea. Yes, Pawan.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
Pawan has.
Yeah, this is Pawan only. Hi, all. Thank you for Oxford to organizing this alumni. Like I can see all my seniors and my classmates, and I am the batch 2020 batch. And now I'm after my studies, I'm working as a BD in the Cubics Medical Private Limited. And I got confirmed in my I got confirmed, and I'm going to get a promotion as a senior BD. And thank you for Oxford, because after joining college only, I improved my conversation, and so many of my friends and teachers have helped me to improve my conversation, and I learned so many languages. And thank you.
Thank you, Pawan. Thank you for sharing your happiness with us. Yes, Kavya, Vijay Reddy, Kausar, Madhumita, Mahesh, Kiran, Maheshan, Mustafa. Mustafa is so silent today.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, today I was in office only, ma'am. Couldn't get the leave for that, ma'am.
You can speak some words with your friends. They're here.
Yes, I would like to. First of all, I would like to thank our principal, ma'am, which has supported us throughout the journey of our education. She was very helpful in all the aspects. Apart from that, thanks to all my friends who supported us in the entire college life. So it was a great journey in the Oxford College. Apart from that, thanks to all the teachers, and it was a great journey with all of them. That's all, ma'am.
Thank you, Mustafa. Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's your function. You can speak. Kavya, Vijay Reddy, Madhumita, Pavitra ji. We have 35 participants in the meeting. Yes, Madhumita. Madhumita, Rashmita.
Hi everyone, myself
Yes.
Rashmita. I passed out, I finished my BPharm in year 2020. Now presently I am doing MPharm in pharmacology in Vishweshwarapura, Vivipura Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. I really miss my library. It's it's like only place where you can get all the books, journals, and it's like comfortable place to sit and study. I miss that library in my present college, and colleges were very nice. Thank you.
Thank you, Rashmita. Zahid Abdul Karim, Survinder, Shankar, Pavitra ji.
Good morning, Mom. Such a wonderful to see you again. I've never expected that I will be here as a part of an alumni meet. It's been so easy by this technology nowadays. And I'd like to thank you all of this dear member and student staff member. And thanks for organizer for this opportunity. Allow me to see some memory getting back. And thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Abdul Karim. Survinder M. I'm feeling nostalgic by calling the people. Like you can take your initiative to come and speak. It's your college, your teachers, your friends, your colleagues. I'm feeling like I'm taking attendance. Yes, Madhumita. You're on mute, Madhumita.
Madhumita
Good
is
morning,
a
everyone.
queen, no?
She's on mute, ma'am.
I know.
I unmuted, ma'am.
Yeah. It's audible now.
Yeah. Good morning, first of all, for everyone, ma'am. And currently, now I'm working at Aster Hospitals as a pharmacist. And it's happy to see you all once again, especially Principal ma'am. Never expected we would get again this kind of meeting. We really miss Oxford a lot, ma'am. We had lots and lots of we would never get back such a great college. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhumita. Asit Banik, Anthony Selvi.
Sushant joined, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is he?
Now he's not there in meeting, ma'am.
Okay.
Mahesh and Mahesh Kiran, Kausar,
Where are you?
Kavya.
Hey Mahesh, where are you, man?
हाँ मैम I already have spoken मैम.
Yeah, I know. Mahesh Kiran, I know you have spoken. Mahesh Kiran, that was another notorious person in college. Always used to get scoldings from me. Where is Mahesh? Hey, how are you?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm fine, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, ma'am.
What you are doing, Mahesh?
I'm jolly இருக்கேன் ma'am.
That is a great.
மேம் ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை மேம், ஜாலியா சாப்பிடுறேன் தூங்குறேன் மேம். லாக்டவுன்ல அவ்வளவுதான், வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை மேம்.
சொல்லுப்பா, நீதான் நல்ல எப்பவுமே இப்படிதான் இருப்ப நீ.
மேம் நோ மேம், எவ்ரிவன் இஸ் டாக்கிங், எல்லாருமே இங்கிலீஷ்லயே பேசுறாங்க மேம். அதான் மேம் ஒண்ணுமே அவ்வளவா புரியல மேம். அதான்.
Hey, come on, Mahesh.
Ma'am, no ma'am, English.
To share feelings, languages should not be a barrier, Mahesh. You can speak in your own language.
Ma'am, own language. என்னடா?
Murli is there to listen to you. You can speak. Yes, sir. Any others? Like I'm just calling out the names once again. Divya ma'am.
மேம் ஆமா மேம், எப்படி இருக்கீங்க மேம்? நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Ma'am.
Yeah, we are all fine, and we wanted to see you actually. Virtually we are seeing, we wanted to see you live because we have not seen, though I have scolded many students, that is a different part, but we feel happy you are settled in your life very well, means that gives us pleasure. Yes, our students are this place, that place, it really gives pleasure. Maybe whatever during college time we were there, that is a different story, but when we hear our students are there, enjoyed, and they are happy with the present job, we are also happy. It gives a pleasure, that's all. I think somebody else also, people those who have not spoken, they can speak, or even teachers can speak.
We have Divya ma'am with us. Juvedia.
மேம் எங்களுக்கு ஒரே ஒரு டவுட் மேம்.
Hello. Yes, Mahesh.
மேம் எங்களோட அப்பாலஜி லெட்டர் எல்லாம் வச்சிருக்கீங்களா மேம் இன்னும் அப்படியே? ஏன்னா எங்களோட அப்பாலஜி லெட்டர் லைக் 50 to 100 அப்பாலஜி லெட்டர்ஸ் இருக்கும்ல மேம், அதெல்லாம் என்ன மேம் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? மேம் ஐ காண்ட் ஹியர்.
See, can we put in calendar and keep, but still that letters are there in my file.
Okay,
you come next time, I'll show you all your letters.
Yes, someone can just interact with your friends.
கண்டிப்பா மேம். மேம் கொடுத்திருக்கிறதே நாங்க தான் நினைக்கிறோம் மேம். இந்த பேட்ச் 2020 பேட்ச் தான் அதிகமா அப்பாலஜி லெட்டர் கொடுத்திருக்கோம் மேம்.
Yes ma'am, we only given the more apology letters.
Main that wanted 10 ma'am, wanted 10
no
members.
After Murli's batch was the first notorious batch. After that all batches are in a way notorious only, and before Murli's batch all were good, not creating problems, no tension, nothing, but it started from Murli's batch, all notorious things. And from
Ma'am, ma'am, we are most disciplined, ma'am.
Hey, come on, yeah.
We are most disciplined batch.
I will not.
Impossible to say, ma'am.
No, you are disciplined plus notorious. Then now the notoriousness is increasing in batches as the days are progressing. I'm seeing notoriousness is increasing more. No, they are studious, no doubt. When they come to final year, they become all generally studious and disciplined student. But notoriousness is increasing. Sometimes we enjoy, sometimes it irritates. Both is there. And now you will be remembering all those notorious things what you have done, and that are all memories. That's all.
Because we juniors are learning from seniors, and that's why.
Day. Podu.
Yes, sir. Kavya, Vijay, Kausar.
Mohammed Gauss, talk man, Mr. Mohammed Gauss.
He's not there in a current meeting.
Okay, man. Ronita, you talk something. Listen. But English, no English. Little bit English, only talk.
I miss all of you so much. I still remember every time I used to ask doubts, all of you would start making noise. And like this one thing really like I remember is in every lab I used to have these doubts which is outside the textbook. Okay, it's not in our syllabus, and nobody really like nobody wants to talk about it. But principal ma'am was the first like teacher who would actually engage in a conversation with me. We would talk about everything, and then she would look at you guys and she would be like, she like this in other class also. And like I miss those days, it was so much fun. Yeah, and like I just wanted to tell ma'am like that really like meant a lot to me, that you would interact, you would talk about things, that those are memories that I'll like always remember. And Mahesh, like, oh my god, we've had so many fights, ma'am. But like I can tell you that I can pick up the phone, call Mahesh, and he would respond. Like we've made friends for life, that's for sure. That's the same with everybody, be it Jinsi, Zela, Neha, Arshina, all of us are so close. And yeah, I miss all of you. And I hope all of you are staying safe.
Yes, I request few teachers to speak with the alumni.
Yeah, Divya madam can speak. And who else has joined us? Pratyusha madam is also there.
Yes, ma'am.
And Juveria, maybe students will be knowing as a senior, maybe in PharmD.
Uma Prabha ma'am is there. Merin ma'am is there.
अरे स्टूडेंट्स को बोलना पड़ता है, टीचर्स को भी बोलना पड़ रहा है अभी. क्या हो रहा है जी?
Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. It's nice seeing you all. Jinsi, Murli, after a long time I'm seeing. Ronita, Mahesh. You people were like, I think you might have enjoyed your college life a lot. And we also want to see that you people, wherever you are, you should also motivate your juniors. Not only in terms of like having friendship is different, but you should motivate them like how to utilize the opportunities what we have given in what we have in college, and motivate them better way, and try to be in contact with your seniors. So I think next time when we plan for a alumni meet and all, you also can say take advantage of them and can be placed in a good place wherever. Not only your seniors, I will say like you should be in touch with the teachers also, so that they can tell you like where the other students are and all. So I wish everyone bright future. Thank you.
Thank you, Divya ma'am. Uma Prabha ma'am. Pratyusha ma'am.
Hi everyone. You know me, I'm Pratyusha, assistant professor. See, all the best for all of you and congratulations all of you. And it is very privileged to me to give this opportunity to talk with you. Yeah, I heard about all the opportunities what you have. And see, alumni meets which aspire acknowledgement, the contribution of ex-students or ex-workers, and which is very common, which we approach whatever aims and see whatever we desire, something we will get in our future. Is it right, my dear students? Yes? Yeah. Yes, it's emotional event. Whatever we are sharing with our friends and with your teachers and with your colleagues. Okay, it's a very emotional event which you are feeling this and which help to sparks to be attribute that dedicated ex-workers, see which we can give best entrepreneur and you show your best part to your juniors, whatever you are thinking. In such a way, you have to speak your feelings and your aims, whatever you achieved in your life. That is the main thing I can say in alumni meeting. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, Pratyusha ma'am. So Chitadi Tanuja Reddy, she joined us now. Then Anthony Selvi. Then we have some of our students who are pursuing MPharm in our college. Anyone? Pavitra ji. Deepavi.
What about other batches? We are having here only Abhijit Pal from older batch. What about other batches? Raghavendra was supposed to join. He has joined.
No, ma'am.
What Z you are doing? Where are you now?
Hello, ma'am.
Where
Right
are
now I'm in Iraq. I'm attending in a pharmacy, like a pharmacy shop. I'm
Okay.
working there. Yeah, doing my life. Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody else is speaking? Dinesh has raised his hand.
Yes, spoken, ma'am.
But I think, okay, fine. Then who is there? Kausar. Kausar I have not seen here for a long time. Where is Kausar? Survin also didn't come.
Now Surinder Kaur ma'am has joined us.
So let her also speak. Pratyush has joined.
Harish Mahesh Kiran. Astik Pavitra Ji, Chaitra V. These are the newly joined one. You can speak regarding your experience in your college, career achievements.
I think Mrs. Surinder Kaur can speak once. Long time student would not have heard to her.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we want to hear.
Like what you want me to
We
speak?
want to see her as
Ma'am,
well.
anything. We want to hear your voice as well.
Oh, it's so sweet of you. It's so great that you remembered me. And it's nice that, yeah, your batch, oh my God. Yes, almost I liked everyone. Yeah, it was a mixed bag for me. And Jinsi, somehow she used to manage everything. It is to be settled, like. And I missed all of you a lot because first year SOTEC, second year PP, third year Juris, and finally, of course, Tech I could not teach you. And yes, there are certain students whom I cannot forget. And but all the, as a whole, this is a college life, and every one of you, it should be something a mix. It should not be the same monotony. So I remember some of your first year experiences also, especially Rashmi, when you had participated in this musical concert, your song, the way you were singing and enjoying that song, I can't forget. I still remember that. And many of your groups, dances, Jinsi, yes, that was amazing. And debate, of course, I remember some of you participating in debate, and Murli was very quiet, I feel. I never had any interactions because I think he was more into reading, I feel. And of course, Tasneem, and yes, she was a very good anchor. I remember that. And yes, I wish you very best wherever you are. Be happy, be safe, and of course, I missed your cultural event. I was longing to see that because it was an amazing class. It was like all good players. Especially, I remember Anand, this in Alru Satvik, and I used to get mixed up with your names. Still I get mixed up with Alru Satvik and Bhushan Raj Shekhar Giri. So whenever I used to meet, he used to say, "Ma'am, I'm Bhushan, and he's Satvik." It used to be like that. I still remember mixing up all the names, but still you all understood that I had name mixing. And I still remember in the Sutix lab how the positions where you used to all stand. And yes, I can't forget that. And in your class, you were all good in sports, that especially the Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, and all those new games coming up, and Gokul and Anand. Yes, amazing players. I can't forget that. But your culturals, I missed. Your culturals. I hope you come back in as MPharm students, join as together in all the different branches. You all, we have sufficient seats. All can join, and then I can see your culture. And Kausar, all the best. You had sent me your wedding invitation, but I could not make it up. Yes, and I wish all the best. My heartily good wishes to you. Be happy, be safe wherever you are. Be proud, Oxfordians. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Kausar, would you like to speak something?
Good afternoon, ma'am, principal ma'am. Hi, everyone. Nice to meet you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am, Kaur ma'am, for the blessings.
Thank you so much.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Now I'm presently actually working in Life Care Pharmacy. Then I had a good time in Oxford College Pharmacy for the 4 years. I miss you, everyone. Ma'am, we missed your pharmacognosy class.
Come, I'll take.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Really, ma'am, we miss your class. Miss your scoldings.
I agree that you will miss my scoldings, definitely. But now no scoldings. You're out of this campus and all blessings only.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kausar. So I'd like everyone to turn on their video once so that we can take one picture together. Please join us so we can take one picture as a memory. Yes, still we have some participants. Please turn on your video. Yes, Tasnima joined.
I think teachers can also switch on videos. All
Yes,
switched on.
please join us. This will be like a memory to our college. Like this year, so many have joined us. It will be great. Yes, Anthony Selvi has joined. Pratyusha ma'am. Dear teachers and students, please join us just for one photo session. Uma Prabha ma'am has joined. Kaur ma'am. Gururaj sir has joined.
Hello, Zaid. How are you? Hello, Zaid. Hello, Zaid.
Hello, ma'am.
Ronnie,
Hello.
how are you, Zaid?
Hello, ma'am.
Hope you're happy and safe.
I'm sorry, I'm not can't hear you good because
Zaid,
like internet.
Zaid ma'am wants to see you.
Hello, Zaid. How are you?
Hello, ma'am.
Hope you are fine.
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Zaid.
Abhijit also is there, ma'am. Abhijit also old student, no? Abhijit and
Yeah,
Jay.
I see Abhijit here.
Mm.
He's from my batch.
Murali. How
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm very happy to see you all again.
Thank you.
Maybe you forget me. After a long time, you people are seeing me, right?
Divya ma'am is here.
Ma'am, how are you, ma'am? Hello, Divya, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, Murli.
We miss you a lot, ma'am.
Thank you. That's what I was telling. I've seen you after a long time.
I don't think I've taught
Spend more
Murli.
time, ma'am. We really miss you.
Murli, I haven't taught you much, no? I haven't taught you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I have taught Murli in diploma.
Only for 6 months, ma'am. That too cheating. I still remember.
Hello, Ronita. How are you, Ronita?
Hi, ma'am. I'm good. I'm really good.
Actually, your name is...
I miss you so much.
Oh, so sweet. Ronita, your name is coming as Shushmita. Actually,
I know that's my phone isn't working, man. It's not connecting properly. I couldn't hear anybody talk.
Okay. Hi, Suvendra Raj. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm fine.
How are you?
Okay.
Fine?
He didn't speak only.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now only his face is seen.
Tasneem, how are you, Tasneem?
Hi, ma'am. I'm doing fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, Tasneem. Jyoti, Natasha.
Nice to see you again.
This is nice. One way we are meeting like this. Otherwise,
Uma Prabha madam didn't speak. No, she has taken techno for them. No, She could have also spoken.
Hi everyone. Hi. Hi ma'am. Good morning.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
After a long time seeing you guys, really it's good. Yeah. Happy that all of you in proper job and you're doing good. Yeah. Happy to see you.
And Yashwant and all, where they are, your batchmates, and where they are, at least they could have registered. No, we would have known what they are doing. So please, I request all of you to tell your friends to register at least. If they are not coming, maybe there may be some reasons for not joining. I can understand, but at least let them register. We'll come to know. We will have phone numbers. So in case anything is needed, we can talk to them or whatever it is. So ask
Okay,
your, if your seniors are there, also ask them to register, at least present scenario where they are there. And if need arises, I can request them to come and address the present juniors.
Okay, ma'am. I'll tell them.
Yeah.
Yes. So anyone wants to speak? Okay.
Hello, Zaid. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Hope you're doing good.
You're working as?
Right now, I'm attending a pharmacy shop.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Anyone wants to speak?
I see Pratyusha, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Fine, Jayed. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. It's good that you still remember me, ma'am.
Yeah. You are the first batch for me.
Yeah.
Jayed and Abhijit.
Exactly.
And I forwarded so many few, but no one responded. But today alumni is there. I forwarded to them, my old students. I don't know, because of they are very busy. I think they didn't responded.
Maybe.
Whoever I know, the students I forwarded.
Maybe.
Okay, it's a pleasure to see you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you for all just attending us or joining us for this alumni meet. Now it's time to propose vote of thanks and end this wonderful session. I, on behalf of Chairman Sri SNVL Narasimha Raju Garu, Director Dr. Malmurugan, Principal Dr. Padma M. Parak, HODs, staff and students, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all the alumni for gracing today's event. I would like to thank everyone from bottom of my heart for making this meet successful. Thank you. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place and record our hearty thanks to Dr. Malmurugan sir, Dr. Padma M. Parak, Principal, the Oxford College of Pharmacy, and convener of today's event, Dr. Gururaj S. Kulkarni, HOD, Department of Pharmaceutics, for their support and guidance. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Thank you all the alumni who have joined us, and thank you for all the teachers who has joined us and who has graced this program. Thank you, one and all.
I should thank Ms. Nagalakshmi, because she is the person who took lot of initiatives in preparing poster to registration form to everything to organize this program. So I personally thank her for the efforts. Any work I give her, she does with full heart. So I really appreciate her efforts. And it is very good to see you all. Maybe I feel we should organize once in 3 months, no? We should see each other's face once in 3 months, at least after college hours, so that we can sit not for so long. We can have a casual interaction for 15-20 minutes, and then we can go like that. So that you are also not, you maybe all must be having some work. So at least 15-20 minutes in 3 months time, if we meet, it will be very good. I feel so. I can see all the smiling faces, and
Yes, ma'am.
we'll be relieved of stress and tension also what normal life has. seeing your faces makes us happy. So I think you people will organize now, and you tell me, madam, you join. I'll come and join, and teachers also. Okay, that will be the thing now from onwards. Okay. So we'll end this meet. I don't feel like ending this meeting. Nice. I still wanted to continue, but I know 2 hours we are sitting, all have some work or other. We'll end this. And again, I thank, and Dr. Gururaj Kulkarni didn't speak, let him speak because at least though we have concluded, but still he can speak because let staff, students know that Dr. Gururaj Kulkarni is coming here and they can come and approach him also and approach me also. Sir, you can speak.
Okay, madam. Thank you, madam. Once again, thank you all, my dear students and dear friends. I call some of them friends because they're very senior and I may not have taught them. So it's very happy occasion for all to meet like this, even though also the situation is not so good like pandemic, but we are meeting. And the most happiest moment today is that when we saw all your faces, all of us are very happy. Because teachers feel very happy when they share, the students share their success stories and where they are, what is their achievement, and how they feel about their institutions where they learn, and when they say give feedback about their teachers and how much they miss their teachers, and really they give lot happiness to teachers and even principal also. So it's a really wonderful program. As 3 points I would like to add here in Alumni Meet. Alumni Meet is the 3 objectives having Alumni Meet. Number 1, to see all the students whom we have taught and to share their success stories and enjoy their stories with them only. And that is the main objective. And second thing is that when you become a responsible after completion of your education and after 10, 15 years you join some good position or best position, and by sitting in that position where you have an opportunity to help your juniors and where you have studied and the new students who those are coming, because when you are studying the situation is different and when working in the industry is totally different, where you can share a lot of knowledge which will help the young generation to build their career and update their knowledge with current developments. Okay. So that is one major objective to have this alumni meet also. So what is my sincere advice to all participants in today and who those are not participants, you convey this message to them also. Whenever you have an opportunity to share your knowledge, job opportunities, knowledge about your work experiences, what is happening in the industry, by various medias, by various ways you can communicate with your institution principal or the teachers or your juniors, or you can come personally if you really is a great help, sir, madam, we would like to help our juniors to prepare themselves for future. Okay, and other point is that if you want to see new instrumentation development for any infrastructure development in the education academy, because we require, because as a teacher we don't know what is happening in the current developments in the industry latest. That is possible only from you guys. Okay, so please share the information, help your juniors, not only sharing the information, getting them opportunity in the industry or wherever, whichever profession you're working, and make it more and more wonderful and meaningful and beneficial for this alumni meet. As I say, as Madam says, it was a very wonderful session. As even I was enjoying 2 hours. Usually I don't sit 2 hours continuously, whichever maybe meeting in between I guess disappear and then come and join. And rarely I sit, and today I almost completed more than 2 hours. Even I have cancelled my class also because of all of you. And yes, as Madam said, Ms. Nagalakshmi, really wonderful program she has arranged. And I thank once again to all participants and my principal and Director Bal Murugan sir and Ms. Nagalakshmi. Thank you very much. And definitely we all teachers and principals would love to meet again and again wherever there is a chance is there. And of course, the alumni is a one platform once in a year. Thank you all. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, Gururaj sir, for just sharing your words. So it was very grateful to join, even me being an alumni of Oxford College of Pharmacy. I'm just feeling very wonderful seeing all of juniors, seniors. That's really grateful. So I wish like we will just take this to our next step, and next time when we are meeting, we will just join in a great numbers and just see or just talk with each other and have a good conversation in our upcoming meetings. Thank you all. Thank you for joining us for today's alumni meet. Principal ma'am, would you like to?
She is concluding. I tell you what happens when we grow, when we are busy in our schedule. If we conduct alumni meet, we again flow into touch with our friends. This is happening with me. I was not in touch with my MPharm students, friends, when we were together. After 20 years, we are meeting now and we are organizing a meeting because we went in the alumni meet. One by one, we started catching all the phone numbers. We made a group. So this is a platform to meet friends even after so many years, maybe because of preoccupation, we are not in touch. So at least through this meet, you get together and you have your own groups, and then you interact, you share your memories. It is really a wonderful thing. I feel more younger now. I feel that I'm same old student when I was doing when I'm chatting with my friends. So this feeling is really good, which will make you feel more younger. Anyhow, you be in touch with your friends and come for alumni meet very often. That's all I will say. Bye then.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you all for joining us. Thank you, Divya, ma'am. Thank you, all the teachers. Thank you, all the alumni. Have a great health. Have a bright future. Do well. Thank you all. All are telling bye. Yes. So here I'm ending the meeting. Thank you all.